Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're jumping right into this video. The product that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach, and I'm using, I believe it was 20 developer. Now this is just the before, and I'm kind of just showing you guys that this wig was indeed made with the sewing machine, so it was made pretty quick. But what I'm trying to do today in this video is to basically break those lines. This hair is from West Kiss Hair. I have 4 bundles of 22 and I believe a 20-inch frontal. Now here, like I said, I'm just showing you guys how their bundles that come pre-ombre, they kind of have like a blunt line, and that's not really cute. So today I'm basically showing you guys the process I went through to get the color that I'm going to end up with. So I started by bleaching the hair, and not the whole entire thing. I kind of started from the middle section and then kind of pulled the bleach up and out a little bit, because the ends were already lightened, like really light, very close to almost like platinum. So I just kind of wanted to lighten everything up so it would blend a little better. So yeah, this process is pretty much self-explanatory. I basically start, like I said, in the middle, and then kind of smooth the bleach out towards the front or top part of the hair, down to meet the bottom super light blonde part. I feel like I just said a mouthful and I didn't really need to, but yeah. So first step is this bleaching process, lightening everything. Finishing up bleaching here, and I'm just gonna go in with the brush and kind of brush everything out to make sure I didn't miss any strands of hair. Now after bleaching this, it didn't really make a difference in the line per se, but it did lighten it a little bit. So I'm going in with Adora Honey Brown, Cajun Spice, and French Cognac, and I mixed those together. And after I mixed those together, I went in into that middle section that You see there where the brown was lightened a little bit. It was more of like a chocolate brown in the beginning, and then it kind of lightened up to like a, you know, a light blonde, honey blonde type color. So I'm going in with these 3 colors. They're all mixed into one bowl, and I'm putting those into the middle section. Now this is going to help blend that line a little better than it already has. Like, I figured since I couldn't break the line by bleaching it, I can break the line a little bit by kind of adding a middle toned color in there. So that's basically what I did. So like I said, same process as I did with the bleach, just with color. So I did end up letting that sit for about 2 hours. Time doesn't really matter with Adore colors, but I kind of just gave it a break and then came back because I was getting really frustrated. This was like a 2-day process, but overall I think the look came together. This is what the hair looked like once I finished everything out, straightened it, blow dried it, and curled it a little bit. So as you can see, those lines are definitely broken, and it's not obvious that the hair came pre-ombre. But after I did finish this process, worrying so much about the ends of the hair, I actually am thinking about going back and adding like a little bit more black or dark brown rather to the roots, because now that everything is blended towards the bottom, I feel like I need to kind of blend the top a little bit more. So let me know what you guys think about the overall turnout of this hair. I love it. It's very lightweight, and once you get the ombre parts together, it's pretty dope. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine, I